Hello guys, welcome back to part 3. We are actually going up again. And this will be the end of my shift for it, and it will be his turn. Right there. Right there. So yeah. Gotta time it. This thing is so slow. And every single one of those things is a bump. So it's like over and over and over, which is really annoying. And I shall run on to it. Hey! Yeah! It's so hard to run with this. Ooh, ow, ooh, ow, ow, ow. That hurts so much.
Let her go. Don't listen to them telling you to go. You have to wait for us.
Come on! Are we on the way? I think so. Okay. Everybody go to the
Good thing I got that on video. No, it's recording already. Ow, my eye. Ow.
Well, you got it all.
That hurts.
There you go.
Okay, I'll go on this one. Yes, a very big shove. But try and shove me straight.
See what we can do.
Are you gonna push him? Good.
Do a really good one, so I might be able to catch some air. I want you to shove me good enough to where I can catch some air.
I'll try.
You gotta wait. Alright, now you're good. Now you're good.
Shove me really good. Ouch! Ooh, ow! Eek! Oh! Jeez, that hurts.
Are you gonna go down again?
Nah.
You gonna wait a minute?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Naya.
Well, I'm gonna bring mine up here
Okay.
so I can sit in it.
Yep.
Okay, guys, let's watch them go down now. Here they come.